Hello everybody, it's Mrs. C, and it's the first video of the 2014-2015 school year. I would be remiss if I didn't start off my first video of the new year without saying farewell to the class of 2014. This is for all of you subscribers out there that will probably get the alert on a new video posted and possibly out of curiosity check it out. So I wanted to say first to you, miss you already. Can't wait to see the successes of your future. Hopefully you will stop back by and keep us all at FAS informed as to your many, many successes. Let us know. You know you can always email me, you can always stop by, and don't be strangers. Enough said on that. Love you all. Shout out to every single one of you. 2015, here we go. Welcome, class of 2015. Yay! All right. Well, hey, you're here. I know your head is probably about to explode because of all the information you've had in class. I can't imagine what it must be like for you to think to yourself, what the heck have I gotten myself into? You know what? You never know. Just roll with it. So, class of 2015, there's a little bit of information I just wanted to give you. Wanted to do a shout out to my class of 2014, saying goodbye and welcome to you guys as you come in and as you get ready to start a journey that you are never going to forget. You may want to forget it, but you're never going to forget it. So, again, I'm Mrs. C. This is a screencast. And it's a screencast without all of the hard work, and kind of a screencast without me drawing anything here. Keep you active. There it is. Woohoo! Now normally I'm doing math while I'm talking, and it's just crazy exciting, but because all I had to really do was talk, I already wrote everything because I wanted to be able to focus on what I was saying. I get a little confused when I talk and write at the same time. You'll know because you're going to be doing these screencasts too. So welcome 2015. Let me show you some information over here. These are the sites that I have to say are probably the most important sites to you for your success in class. And so we start with the most important one, the CUDAsoftware.com. If you search on Google, CUDA software, it will come up first. If you search on Google, CUDA, K-U-T-A, it will come up first, and then you can just click on the Google link. If you want to actually put this in as a favorite, so you just have to click on it, do that as well, whatever works for you. So the CUDA software site is a pretty interesting site. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, this is what the CUDA software website looks like, and now it's not showing you everything. Oops, bad pen color, that's for sure. Okay, it's not showing you everything that is down at the bottom of the page. It's quite a lot that are skills that they have worksheets for. But what's important is if you look over to this left side. Now, this one's cut off right up here. You're probably not going to use it very much. I believe it's pre-algebra, but hey, if you feel like you need any practice on the skills that we can't find in Algebra 1, meaning they were pre-algebra skills, for example, I think evaluating expressions. That's not in an Algebra 1 worksheet. For the most part, that's something you learned in pre-algebra or in 7th grade. So, or 8th grade, technically. Then you're going to need to go up into the pre-algebra section. If you didn't understand it last year and you didn't pursue the knowledge, you're going to be at a deficit this year. So anything you've forgotten or anything you never got, it's going to be a problem this year, and you're going to find you're going to have to sidestep and go get that knowledge so that you can move forward this year. Don't worry, I'm here to help you do that. Now, if we come down to this page, let me just get rid of that arrow. This tab, it says Infinite Algebra 1. That's the sheet I'm on right now. You see it right here, right? You're in free Algebra 1 worksheets. And these are all the topics. The first set of topics we'll be dealing with are going to be the equations, and then we'll move on to the inequalities. So all that stuff that you see in there, those are all links that you can click, and it'll take you to a free worksheet that does generate the answers as well. And that's what's important, is you have a place to go to practice and get solutions. You can also see my battery life is running pretty low, so I better talk faster. Okay, so the other thing that I want you to take a look at on this CUDA site is Infinite Algebra 2. I do use the Algebra 2 worksheets from time to time, especially with equations, because that's something that makes them a little bit saucier, makes them a little bit more challenging, make us work a little bit harder, but certainly in Algebra 1 skill, in Algebra 2 it's review, in Algebra 1 it's just something we're trying to master. So I think we could probably say that we don't need to worry too much about calculus this year. However, the geometry section is going to come in handy. Several things that we're going to use in that geometry section. So this is the CUDA site. It's an important one for you to get used to maneuvering through. And please, please, please use it as often as you find time to practice at home. Now, back to the list of things for you to go to get extra help. EduCreations, that's educreations.com, is where you will be going to access all of my earlier videos. So any video that I made in the last 2 years, not so much last year, there are a few from last year, but the year before and then the year before that. So let's do the math. That was actually 3 years. Any videos that I put in, or any videos that some of my students actually put in for me, they go under the EduCreations. I create these videos into Sari, and hopefully pretty soon I'll be going back into EduCreations, because they're going to have an update that I can actually post to YouTube. So as soon as they do that, I will be switching back. Won't affect you, because all of my videos currently go on my YouTube channel, which you should have already subscribed to, so that you can get the alerts whenever I post a video. So again, educreations.com, a good one if you want to pull up any of my old videos. And on my website there is a link as well as a class code that would make it easier for you to see all of my videos in one shot. Check. Then we have Khan Academy. Now Khan Academy is one you should already know about. If you don't, let's learn about it now. Khan Academy, I do have class codes, but I'm not giving them out just yet, because I actually prefer you to use Khan Academy as a backup system to my videos. If there is a skill that I did that I didn't have, you want more of a video. Say I do a video on equations, which I will be the next video I post, and I kind of left you wanting more. You were thinking to yourself, I get it, those were really good, but I think I need somebody to explain it again or on another problem. You can always go to Khan Academy, where Sal Khan will do exactly what I do in a screencast, and he will walk you through the concepts. He is amazing. He's the person I went to when I was doing calculus. He is also the person that I went to before I was making my own videos, so I was telling students to watch him. It usually is supplemental. Most students will want to hear it from me first and then go to another source. So, Khan Academy, excellent. Most importantly is your Google Drive. Your Google Drive for our class will have the latest practice problems that I have posted, either because students have requested it or because I think they're important. So always go to your Google Drive to see what I have left for you. And finally, I'm Mrs. C. My website, acaruso@wlbschools.com. Any of my students, anybody who's not my student, anybody out there in the World Wide Web that wants to contact me, send me a problem, ask me a question, I'll do a video on it for you. I will post it, subscribe, that way you'll know that I did it, and I would love to hear from anybody. If there's anything at any time you would like me to make a video of, just let me know. And that's all the time I have, because as you saw, my battery is running low. So I will see you on the flip side. Peace out, my people.